Oh, she, don't be doing that. Oh, she, come on. What are you doing? Okay, guys, today I'm going to talk to you about the rotator cuff. The rotator cuff is a group of muscles and tendons that keep the ball of your arm into your shoulder socket. So it keeps everything connected here. Your rotator cuff is really important. If you don't work out your shoulder, your rotator cuff, then you're going to see a lot of problems when you work out. If you try to do a lot in bench, or you start maxing out in some of your major muscle groups, and you neglect your rotator cuff, there's a good chance you're going to end up with a tear or some kind of injury, and it's going to prevent you from continuing your workout. You don't want to neglect your rotator cuff, because eventually you're going to hit that weight that's just, your chest might be able to handle the weight, but your rotator cuff is not able to handle that weight, and you get a tear, and then you have to wait a couple of months until that tear recovers, and then you have that couple of months, and then you have to get back into the workout and build yourself back up again, and so that's a couple more months, and all of that could have been avoided if you just did some basic rotary cuff exercises. So I'm going to show you just some of my favorite. There's a lot more out there, but I'm just going to, like I said, just show you some of the ones that I use. And so the muscles around the rotary cuff, we don't usually use that much weight. So in this case here, I just have two 10-pound weights, and I'm just going to take these 10-pound weights, and I'm just going to put them out right in front of me, and just slide them out here, and go in. So I'm in here, and go in. And just do that about 12 times on each side. I'll just do that now. It's also going to work out your bicep as well, but it's all connected. So I'm going to put these down here. So this is my second favorite rotary cuff exercise. You just take the weight up and go up. And you can do these at the same time, or you can do them individually. Like I said, there are other rotary cuff exercises you can do. These are just some of the ones I like to do. These are just the ones that I'm just showing you today anyways. So once again, just, not that much weight, just high reps. And yes, this is going to work the shoulder as well. But like I said, with the bicep and shoulder, those all go right into the rotary cuff. The other arm. Just a slow, controlled movement. So there are other exercises you can do. Okay guys, if you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And for more health workouts, you can also go to our website at timehealthfit.com. Thanks for watching.